Guys, this is Matthew again, and this is our fourth strategy for today. Today's September 1st, 2025, and here we're going to be trading the volatility 91x. These are among the new volatilities that were just added, not quite long. And we're trading the touch no touch. We are on the D trader interface. Let me change this to dark mode so that you can see think a little bit better in dark mode. So once you log into your trading account, go to volatility 91s, go to the trade type, go to touch no touch, scroll down, you will see touch no touch. Once you choose touch no touch, set this to 7 minutes and set the barrier offset to plus 9.122. So we're going to be placing our trade if the 1 moment is pushing up and the last number here is below 400. If it must be going right up and the last number must be below 4. It could be 399, it could be 380. It has to be below 400. So it's going up and is to something about it rebounded. It's going down, so you have to wait for it to be going right up. The last number there is 240. It's going up 270, and it's up. You can see it was going up before we place that trade, and so you can see we won that trade right there. We won that trade. We're gonna place another trade. The last number here, last 3 numbers here, has to be below 400, and this 1 moment must be going up. Look at the circle. You can see it's facing right down, and we're clicking on touch. Don't forget we're clicking on touch, not no touch. We're trading touch. So you see it's going down. So your highs has to be on both the movement and the last 3 numbers. It's going up, where it's high, the number is high, it's high. It's going back down again. 961, 185, right there, 185. So we place that trade. You can sell at market when you're in profit. If you want to, but you're gonna win regardless, so you don't have to sell at market. So you can see we won that trade right there, won that trade. So we're gonna place one more trade because we're still gonna drop some couple of strategies today. So make sure it's going up and the last 3 number must be below 400. It's going up, but the number is a little high. 282 right there. So that's going to be our last trade. That's going to be our last trade. So you can see we won all the trades. We won all the trades. So make sure you watch carefully before placing your trade. And the buy sell indicator right here, you can see some trades are ongoing. The Euro USD is still red, but it's going to win regardless. One is in profit. These are still red, but I'm online. I'm waiting for them to be blue so I can close the trade. We're still giving it away for free. The indicator, it works on Deriv and other Forex broker platform that support MT5. You can see I'm using it to trade the Euro USD right here. You can see, and it also works on your volatility as well. It works on all Forex pairs that support MT5. It also works on Deriv. We're giving it away for free. Check the video decision on YouTube. The infos are right there. And for the Toss Keeper bot and the Pip Stripper bot, to order the Toss Keeper bot is 9.99 USD. The Pip Stripper bot is 7.99 USD. They both works on Deriv and they're automated. We're also giving away free bots and other free guys as well when you order any of our bots, or if you order the indicator you get our bots for free. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. So the infos are here. These are the infos. To get the indicator for free, use this link here to sign up for a free trading account and subscribe to all these channels. This is the first one, this is the second one, and there's the third channel. Make sure you subscribe. So once you do that, send an email with the subject free indicator with the last 3 digits of your account. to the email address there. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can use this link to order the indicator for $12. These are the links to other bots, the Pip Stripper bots and the Toskeper bots. The links are in the video description on YouTube. Check the video description. For those who don't have a trading account, here is a link to sign up for a trading account to test all the strategies on demo. Subscribe to all our channels to get updates on the strategies we release frequently. There are other infos as well in the video description. Check everything. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.